turnkey projects, generally this kind of activities are more common in a construction industry, but yes, it may be possible that this kind of activity may happen in a particular manufacturing unit or a specialized technology where you expect that a complete setup can be done by that particular technology or who is owning that particular technology. Now, it is a type of project that is constructed so that it can be sold to a buyer as a completed product, and it is like a complete ready, and that particular plant or that particular technology, it is a such a well kind of a plant is developed, and then that particular transaction happen. And here what the thing is happening, that yes, when you are doing a turnkey kind of a project, especially as I have told you, it is a more in construction industry, but if it is in a manufacturing unit, yes, it can be possible in a manufacturing unit definitely. There what the thing is happening is like a complete know-how will be transferred, complete skills will be transferred from the owner who is owning that particular skill set, and that will be completely implemented. It will be completely replicated where exactly that project is implemented, and that is what the turnkey project is.